Hey everyone, the Minisforum MS-R1 represents a significant step forward in the evolution of compact computing, blending the efficiency of ARM architecture with workstation-grade flexibility and UEFI boot support. What makes this device stand out immediately is that it's the first ARM-based mini workstation that allows direct installation of Linux distributions and virtualization tools. No special bootloaders or firmware tweaks required. That alone puts it in a class of its own, positioning it as an ideal tool for developers, researchers, and professionals who want the versatility of open-source software and virtualization in a small yet powerful package. At the heart of the MS-R1 lies the new CIX CP8180 processor with a 28-watt TDP. Despite its low power draw, this processor delivers impressive performance, particularly in AI and edge computing tasks. It's backed by an integrated NPU capable of 28.8 TOPS, bringing total AI acceleration to 45 TOPS. Memory and storage support further underline its professional aspirations. The MS-R1 can be equipped with up to 64 gigs of LPDDR5 memory, ensuring swift multitasking and minimal latency for complex workloads. Although enabling ECC reduces usable memory by 1/8, the trade-off is worthwhile for users prioritizing data integrity. For storage, the MS-R1 can come pre-configured with up to a 1 TB NVMe SSD, and expansion options remain generous thanks to a PCIe 4.0 X4M.2 slot with compatibility for U.2 drive adapters, ideal for professionals needing fast, scalable storage. Connectivity is another area where the MS-R1 shines. It features dual 10 gigabit Ethernet ports powered by Realtek RTL8127 controllers, enabling lightning-fast wired networking for servers, clusters, or data-intensive applications. Wireless communication is equally robust, with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 provided through an M.22230 module. For display output, Minisforum includes one HDMI 2.0 port and two USB Type-C ports with DisplayPort 1.4 Alt mode, supporting up to 4K resolution at 120 Hz, sufficient for high-resolution monitors and multi-display setups. Unlike many mini PCs that sacrifice expandability for size, the MS-R1 manages to include a full-size PCIe X16 slot, albeit wired at X8. This opens up the possibility of installing discrete GPUs, high-performance NICs, or specialized storage controllers, giving users genuine workstation-level flexibility in a 1.7-liter chassis. It's a smart move that expands its appeal beyond edge computing and into areas like virtualization, Android emulation, and AI model testing. Thermals are well handled too. Even during sustained workloads, the MS-R1 maintains noise levels around 35 decibels, quiet enough for desktop or lab use. This balance of cooling efficiency and acoustic performance reinforces its professional-grade design, ensuring reliability under continuous load. Pricing is equally competitive given its capabilities. The base model, priced at $503, comes with 32 gigs of RAM but no SSD, giving users flexibility to add their own storage. Overall, the Minisforum MS-R1 redefines what an ARM-based mini workstation can be. It's compact yet expandable, efficient yet powerful, and built to handle professional computing demands ranging from AI inference to Linux virtualization. By offering UEFI boot compatibility, dual 10 GBE networking, ECC memory support, and PCIe expandability, Minisforum has created a system that bridges the gap between developer-friendly mini PCs and full-fledged workstations. For anyone seeking a small form factor device that doesn't compromise on capability or flexibility, the MS-R1 stands out as one of the most innovative and future-ready options available today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.